Hi everyone, now let's have a look at reading from a file. To read the content of a file, we must open the file in read mode. There are various methods available for this purpose. We can use the read with size method or just a read method or any other methods we will be discussing in this session later to do this. So in the first case, the read with size method, we are reading up to the size of the size parameter mentioned, and it will return up to that size of data to us. And if the size parameter is not specified, it reads and returns up to the end of the file. So let's go to the terminal, and since I have changed some of the lines in my test.txt which we saved previously, I just want to cat through that. Cat test.txt. I just changed the second line to second line and third line to third line, and removed the fourth line. In order to do something with the read operations with the files, we just want to go to the Python console and now just open the file in read mode. For that, f equal to open within quotes test.txt comma the method read. Now I just want to pass the size parameter with read, f.read 5 for the first time, and this will return up to the fifth character. 1 2 3 4 5, fifth character is O, up to O. And if I did it again, then it will return from the blank line and 1 2 3 4 up to the L. And now I just want to get rid of this size parameter, sorry. Then it will return up to the end of the file. So now I just want to know the current file position. For that, I just want to write f.tell. This will return the current file position. Now it is at the end of the file, which is 38. If I just want to bring the file cursor to the initial position, I can do f.seek, and inside that 0. And if I will ask to tell the current file position, this will return 0. And to read the entire file at once, we want to print f.read, and this will read the entire file. We can read a file line by line using a for loop. This is both efficient and fast. So in order to do that, we just go to the initial position and we are looping it for line in F. Starts indentation here. Just type print line. Press enter again. This will return line by line up to the end of the file. Then we can use read line, the other method, to read individual lines of a file. This method reads a file till the new line, including the new line character. So in order to do that, let's go to the initial position again and f.read line, and this returned the first line. If it do it again, second line, do it again, then third line. And if you want to get all of a sudden, then we can do f.read lines instead of f.read line. Now we are at the end of the file, so that it returned an empty list, and in order to see what happens, just seek to the 0, and now just do it again, and this will return a list with all the lines. So that's all about read method in Python. So the other methods will be discussed in the other videos. So keep watching. Thank you.